Okay, good evening, children. Welcome again to Navama Srenira Live Quiz Re. Samostangu hearty welcome. Aji amara topic hochi complements and adjuncts. I am sure tamane already tama grammar class re sikhi thiba. So seta ame aji quiz re amara topic habo seta. So before that, छुआ मैंने please join the WhatsApp group जोटारे कि तमे daily session updates पाउचो, interactions होची, daily questions पाई पारुचो. Okay, and then please note down the WhatsApp number also 789 404 0614 789 404 0614. 1 minute, children. Yeah. So I hope you have noted down, and also please join Aveti spoken English class and Aveti coding class, which is for free. All right, so let's begin the session, children. Can you please text me if you are able to hear me? Samaste Suni Parcho, can you just text me? Good evening, children. Welcome again to So first let us find out what is a complement. I know tamane already e bisare padicha, but because our quiz is about complement and adjuncts, tikke khali bujhi deba and then we'll go to the quiz. So a complement in grammar is a word, clause or phrase that's needed to describe the subject or object of a sentence. Complements typically follow linking verbs which show connection rather than action. Tamane kono? Eta complement kare. Mane kichi ota extra information diye. Subject bisare ho, object bisare ho. So it comes in the form of a word hisabre hi pare, gote clause kimba phrase hisabre hi pare. Basically, they complement a subject or a verb. ତେଣୁ କୁହାଯାଏ subject complement or object complement. Now, what is an object complement? The object of a sentence, तमे समझते जानिचो. So, object complement टा कौन करे? Like I said, it complements the object of a sentence. For example, he makes me very sad. Okay, so it is providing more information about me. How am I? I'm very sad. So, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଯୋଉଟାରେ extra information तमे पाइबो गोटे object किंबा subject विषୟରେ, that is called a complement. Now, let us try to find out the difference between subject, complement, and object. Okay, an object will always answer the question who or what. For example, she ate the soup. Who ate the soup? She ate the soup. Okay, so she becomes the subject, and who ate the soup? She. So soup is your object here. Okay, so in such cases where there is a verb, there is a subject and an object, that is how you differentiate. You just ask the question who or what in reference to the verb. But what is a complement? A complement will provide greater detail about the subject. For example, the soup tasted good. So basically, how did the soup taste? Mane soup is extra information tumku dauchi. How did the soup taste? The soup tasted good. Okay, so it has tasted becomes your linking verb, and good adjective hisabre, it is talking more about the soup. All right, so this is called this is the difference between a subject complement and an object and an object complement. So let us go to our first quiz. Let's begin. Pablo is extremely intelligent. First, identify the complement and mention whether it is a subject complement or object complement. Your countdown begins now. All right. So let me show you the right answer now. Okay, the answer is not coming. Never mind. Pablo is extremely intelligent. How is Pablo? Pablo is extremely intelligent. Okay. So here we are talking about the subject. Then here it is a subject complement. Okay. How is Pablo? He is extremely intelligent. So this is a subject complement here. Like I said, it is a complement and it is a subject complement. Now, second question, you are making me sad. Now tell me whether sad is a complement or an object. If it is a complement, what kind of complement? So your countdown begins now, children. All right. So let me show you the right answer. Here sad is your object complement, because here you is your subject, me is the object. Okay, so how am I? Mu kemiti achi? I'm sad. So here sad becomes your object complement. Rita is a good dancer. Identify whether it is a complement or an object, and your countdown begins now. All right. So let me show you the right answer once again, children. It is a subject complement. Rita is a good dancer. It is a subject, good is a subject complement because it is talking about how Rita is. All right. Next. Now we painted the ceiling blue. We painted the ceiling blue. So your countdown begins now. Identify the complement, or if it is an object, and if it is a complement, whether it is a subject or object complement. Your countdown begins now. All right. So the right answer is, children. Here it is again an object complement because we are talking more about the ceiling. Ceiling means roof. So how is the ceiling? The ceiling is blue. Hence here blue is your complement and it becomes an object complement. Next, our neighbor's dog is dangerous. Tell me whether there is any complement in this statement, and if there is any complement, what it is, and whether it is a subject or object complement. Your countdown begins now. Very well done, children. Both today chua mane almost all the answers you people are giving the right answer. So very well done. So let me show you the answer again. Here it is the subject complement. Dangerous is the complement because how is the neighbor's dog? It is dangerous. So hence it is the subject complement. Very well done, children. All of you, Arpita, Anilisha, Abhijit, Siddharth, Rudra Narayan, everybody, Rani, Dev, Tejaswini, everybody has given the right answer, children. Sunil, so UK, Natasha, everybody has given the right answer. Bhumika, Babuli, Anilisha, Pushpaketan Sahu, Bhishma Kaleka. Okay, everybody has Subhasmita Sahu. Okay, very well done, children. So let's go to the next one. Aveti Learning app, please download from Play Store. And so that તમે સાંગମାନଙ୍କୁ બી સમસ્તું કહે કે સમસ્તે અવેતી લર્નિંગ રે join કરો. Okay, now let us see. Before we go, the next quiz is on adjunct. So, what is an adjunct? An adjunct is a word, phrase, or clause that can be removed from a sentence without making the sentence grammatically wrong. It are very important. Adjunct be like a complement. So, it be got a word, phrase, or clause. But the difference is adjunct ko tame the sentence ru kadi daba. Tahele bhi tama sentence ta grammatically wrong habani. So that is very important that even when you remove an adjunct, jadi kadhi bhi dela, then also the sentence remains grammatically correct. Okay, so let's begin the quiz. He arrived yesterday. Okay, so he arrived yesterday. Let me know what is the adjunct and I'll tell you what type of adjunct it is. Your countdown begins now. So let me show you the right answer, children. The right answer here is yesterday. The adjunct is yesterday. देखो ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କହିଥିଲି adjunct କୁ ତମେ ଯଦି sentence ରୁ କାଢିଦବ ତାହେଲେ ବି it remains the grammatically ଠିକ ରହିବ. For example ଆମେ yesterday କୁ କାଢିଦବା ତାହେଲେ ବି he arrived is also grammatically right. Then yesterday is your adjunct and it is called a time adjunct because it denotes the time. Okay. Next question. He lost his dogs in the woods. Identify the adjunct here and I will tell you what kind of adjunct it is. Your countdown begins now, children. All right, let's find out the right answer, children. The right answer is it is a place adjunct because a sentence re the adjunct is in the woods. He lost his dogs. Eta bhi gote grammatically right sentence habo. Tame in the woods jadi kadhi dela. Then in the woods is your adjunct and it is called a place adjunct because it denotes the place. All right. So all of you are doing well, children. I'm very happy. Next question. She sings like an angel. Find out the adjunct here and I'll let you know what is the kind of adjunct. Your countdown begins now. All right, very well done. So let me show you the right answer. It is the adjunct is like an angel because she sings. तमे जे like an angel काढ़ी देलो ताहले भी she sings is a grammatically right sentence and it is called a manner adjunct. माने कहा परी गोटे like an angel तेनु कहा माने गोटे manner रे सेटा तमर जेतु expression टा रहुची सेटा को कहा जाए manner adjunct. Not just both छुआ माने Arpita has typed right, then Shrestha has typed right, Lopamudra has typed. It is like an angel, children, not just angel. Okay, next question. As it is Friday, you can stay up another hour. As it is Friday, you can stay up another hour. So, Etari, identify the adjunct and I'll tell you what kind of adjunct it is. Your countdown begins now. Bhumika Patnaik, UK Natasha, everybody, Rupali Raut, everybody has typed in the right answer for the last question. Okay, now let me show you the right answer, children. The adjunct in this sentence is as it is Friday. So, what is the sentence that can stay without an adjunct? You can stay up another hour. You can stay up another hour is a sentence by itself, grammatically correct. As it is Friday is just an adjunct, जोटा कि reason adjunct. Reason दौची. As it is Friday, आजी जेहेतु Friday, you can stay up another hour. तमे आउ गोटे घंटाटे रही परिबो. So जो phrase, clause किंबा word जोटा कि sentence रू काढ़ी देले भी the sentence ta grammatically rahi pare, those are called adjuncts. And very well done, children. Not another hour. Some children are typing another hour. No, as it is Friday. Rudranarayan Pati, very well done. We are giving the reason why. Anilisha also has typed in the right answer. Saina Priyadarshini, very well done. Shrestha Disha, very well done. Okay, all those children who have typed in Arpita, also very well done. All right, children. So all those who have typed in as it is Friday, they have given the right answer. I hope you enjoyed today's session, children. Ajiro quiz etikire sarila. Puni next week ame agute quiz kariba. All right. So please go through this video in case you have any doubts. You can always text me. Thank you so much for attending today's class, children. Thank you.